Around the corner, and he drops it home.
That's a nice play.
Oh my! And Millsap.
Oh my!
Woo.
Oh my!
Here comes Lehman, Euro step. Nice move. Good Lehman. In the lane, tough shot.
That was Elvin Hazley's shimmy, shake, fade.
Here comes Millsap, and Millsap scores. Millsap coming in. Put it up again.
He's just trying to draw the foul. Thought he got bumped.
Porter. Yes! Michael Porter Jr. Culver inside. And a foul. Second free throw is good. Well, Paul Millsap, the big man on campus, in that third quarter, Millsap had all of his 14 points. Nuggets ended the third on an 11-0 run after starting 11-4. Plumlee inside, wheels, and he'll shoot two.